Hello, everyone. Welcome to another graphics tutorial video. Today, I will show you the user interface and discuss the functions of the buttons, tables, and information. This will guide you in the use of the application. When you click the left panel, we would see the Search tab. There is the Search button, Search Mine, Full Screen, Clear Map, and a table. And there is the mobile mode and tutorial. You can search computations using the lot number. Or to refine your search, input the lot number separated by a semicolon, add the municipality and another semicolon, the owner, if you know the owner. Now you may want to loosen up the keywords, so that you will find matches. So, for example, if you have a 3-word owner name, can just write one so that it will not restrict the matches. In today's example, I'm going to add the lot number only. So if you click search on this, we'll search all the data in the database. In Search Mine, this will search all the data in your account. So as you can see, there is a data in the database, but there is no data in my account. Full screen toggles the display by hiding the address bar and maximizing the device's display. It's better to use Clear Map if you wish to reset to an empty map rather than to refresh the browser, so that your Google API use count will not increase. So, for example, if you are entitled 28,000 Google API clicks, if you keep on refreshing, each refresh will deduct from your monthly allowance. Mobile mode changes the snap preferences for mobile devices. So if you are mobile, you'll be expecting that the snap tolerance would be a lot bigger than when you're using a mouse. So if you're using your mobile phone or a tablet using your finger as an input, best choose mobile mode so that it will be able to select the proper corner easily than in the desktop mode. Tutorials is a brand new button that brings you to the tutorials available in Grafics software. On the right-hand side, we have the welcome statement. This is also the user info link. So here in the user info are your preferred information so that you will not be re-entering everything over and over again when you make your survey returns plans. Then you have the project manager. The project manager stores all the projects that you have saved. So think of the project manager as the hard drive files. So in a normal offline computer, you save each project into a separate file just for easy retrieval. In our case, we have a unified database. Still, you can save those parcels belonging to one project into one single project name. So for example, if you have a complex subdivision, you can save it in one project name. When you load the project, all the sublots within the saved project will be loaded, including the traverse if it was included in the project. You could also make your own project. Just load the parcels on Map, then click on Save Project, and a new project will be created. Going back to the right panel, there is a star. This will set your parcel as a project boundary. The project parcel will be treated as the mother lot. So all the areas, the technical descriptions and boundaries will be referred to your mother lot. The visibility toggles the visibility of each computation. So for example, you're working on a survey returns. You may want to disable your traverse as it may cause an area mismatch. In this case, we have opened a consolidation subdivision project so the area will not match. If you remove the mother lots and retain the project parcel or consolidated boundary parcel, then the area should match. Moving on, the buttons are New Lot Data Computation, Survey Returns Manager, All Plan, Save Parcels, Save Project, and Manage Project. The New Lot Data Computation opens up the Lot Data Computation window. This is where you encode the bearings and the distances. The SR Manager will transport you to the Service Manager page. This is where you make your service and finalize the data, make DLSD, field notes, plans, transmittal of survey returns. You can download plans, DLSD, technical descriptions, and other documents. All plans will download all the data into a DXF file. In our case, the traverse was included in the DXF file. Remove the traverse and the new DXF file should be clean. The All Plans button is just a shortcut which allows the user to download in DXF a sketch of the added parcels. A more in-depth or more detailed plotting procedure is outlined in the Survey Returns Manager. Save Parcels will save all the computations that are active. Save Project saves your project. So in case you're starting a new project with one parcel and you divide it into 10 parcels, you may want to save the project so that you can access it through the Project Manager. Manage Project is a convenient way of editing information within the project. So, for example, in this case, you have a survey number that are all labeled as none. So if you have a survey number, you can input all the survey numbers in these boxes. If you want to change Barangi, you can do so in a fast manner here in this Project Manager. You can also sort that number, delete, change of formatting, whatever. So if you want to change the information or delete multiple parcels, you can use the Manage Project button. And that's it. Thank you.